Hello and welcome to Easy Tech Geek. Today in this video, we will learn how to fix no audio sound issues in Windows 10 computer. So let's get quickly started. And before we start, I would like to let you know that please follow all the instructions carefully, watch the whole video and follow me. Thank you. So here, the very first thing we need to look at the right hand side where you see the speakers. Just do a right click and click on Open Sound Settings. Now here, make sure this is to the extreme right and your output device is selected. Your main device should be selected from here and the input as well. Now what you can do is if it doesn't work, you can try one by one whatever the output we have here, select one by one and check if the sound is coming or not. So that's the first thing. Second is, I'll just close this. Do a right click on this icon, the speaker icon from here, and click on Open Volume Mixer. And here make sure the device and the applications, whatever we have opened, you just check if you have not accidentally muted. Pardon me. Uh, all right. So if you have accidentally muted, then you just need to check. And also make sure the slider should be at the top at 100%. So that's the very important part because usually, people do this as well. The third is we need to check for the drivers of the audio. And how we can do that? In Windows 10 computer, just do a right click here and then go to Device Manager. Or you can simply search in the search bar Device Manager and it will open up like this. And then we need to go to Audio Input Outputs and look for your speaker or mic or inbuilt speaker of the laptop. Here, just do a right click and go to Properties and click on Driver and you can click on Update Driver. Now the very first thing which we will do is search automatically for the drivers. And if it says the best driver for your device are already installed, then we will just close this window and we will click on Update Driver again. And this time we will select Browse My Computer for drivers and select your whole computer. I'll select C drive because my OS, the operating system installed on C, and just click on, you can click either let me pick, and it will start searching whatever the device drivers we have in the machine. Now, since we are rolling back the driver, you can check one by one. So let's say if you're using Sennheiser headset or speaker, um, Sony speaker, you have the driver here. So select one of them and then click on next. So in this manner, you're actually rolling back the driver. That can be done. Even if this doesn't work, then you can simply just do a right click again and click on uninstall device. Now, once you click on uninstall, there will be a check mark. Make sure that check mark is not there, should not be checked because that check mark is for deleting the driver from the machine. So just click on uninstall by without checking mark and restart the machine and then it will automatically update the driver for your device. Let's say if still that doesn't work. What is the next step which we will do is to look for the cables. Now if you're using 3.5 mm jack, make sure it is plugged into the right port, which is the green one. Or if you have done it, then make sure just try to change it to the different port. And if you're using the USB device, make sure you try in a different USB drive. That happens sometimes that the USB we have connected, the device, may have some issues. So you can change that USB port to a different USB port. So that can be taken care of. One more step which we can do here if that doesn't work is to check the incorrect audio source. And how we can do that is by just doing a right click here and go to, let me just do it for you. Just do a right click and click on Open Volume Mixer, or just click on Sound. And here go to Recording. Check the right device is selected as a default. And here you can check the sensitivity of your voice. All right. And in playback as well, check the right speaker or the device is selected. If it's not, you can simply do a right click and make that device as a default device. So that can be taken care of. Still, if it doesn't work, then what we can do is just doing a right click on the speakers, you will find troubleshoot sound problems. So in Windows 10, these troubleshooters actually work. Earlier in Windows 7 or 8, it used to give fake alerts and all, but Windows 10 really works when we troubleshoot. So it will let you know that what exactly the problem is and then move according to that. All right. One more thing which you can do is the same device you can try in a different computer. Let's see, just check if it's working there because that device also might be corrupted. But that's a very rare scenario, right? So that can be taken care of. So please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.